Now, let's take a look at the next one. Okay, this round we are going to take a look at reviews. Okay, now reviews required. So, have you watched any interesting movies lately? So, send us your movie review. Say what you enjoyed about the movie and would you recommend the movie to your friends and why. This shows that it has to be a very good movie that you enjoyed. Don't write about a movie that you didn't enjoy. Only movie you like. Okay, only movie that you like. Okay, that you like. Okay, movie review and book review, they are almost similar. Okay, so now review, no matter, doesn't matter whatever review you are writing. It can be a hotel review, it can be a magazine review, it can be a holiday destination review, it can be any kind of reviews. Please make sure you write only about 4 paragraphs in order to stay organized. Okay, I will explain why in a while. Now, I always advise students to write a review if, let's say, reviews like a restaurant review, movie review comes out, because it's actually very easy to express something that you experienced and you remember. But what if you did not have any experience? You have never been to any cafe recently, or you have not watched any new movies lately. That's okay. Okay, you can create it. Okay, it can either be real, it can also be fake. Both is accepted. Okay, so your movie review, you have to talk about what you enjoy and if you would recommend the movie to your friends. And you also need to tell what movie it is. Sorry, this is C1, this is C2, and this is C3. Okay, now let's try to take a look at the example sample answer that I have written here for you. Okay, so for the first round, I have written first, very, very important is title. Okay, write there movie review and then write the title of the movie. And start with the title of the movie. Start. Okay, start with the movie title. So Wonka is a magical and heartwarming movie that tells the origin story of the beloved Roald Dahl character. I watched it last weekend and it left me smiling long after the credits rolls. This is an introduction, sorry. Okay. Now, moving on, the movie follows a young and ambitious Willy Wonka. Okay, this is the name of the character who dreams of opening the greatest chocolate shop in the world. Along the way, he faces obstacles from greedy businessmen, but with the help of some unlikely friends, he uses his creativity and kindness to make his dream come true. The film beautifully combines fantasy, adventure, and humor. Second paragraph is all about a brief synopsis. You don't have to write the entire storyline. You won't have enough time and you won't have enough space. Okay, you need to only write in the page given, so you cannot add on new pages. Okay, remember that. Now, moving on will be the third paragraph, where in this paragraph you can read, the visuals were stunning with colorful sets, whimsical costumes, and eye-catching effects that brought Wonka's inventions to life. I especially love the musical elements. The songs were catchy and added joy to the scene. So you see the songs, okay, the scenes, okay. Stunning visuals were stunning, colorful sets, whimsical costumes, okay, eye-catching effect. These are the technical aspects, we call it. Okay, these are technical aspects, okay, in the movie. And also using this term for movie review is actually very good. Okay, these are the very, very good, strong, what do you call, sentences or word phrases, okay, that you can write. Next, Timothy Chalamet, okay, the actor who played Wonka, gave a charming performance that balanced innocence and brilliance. So this is basically all about the technical aspect, okay, of the movie, like the background, the setting, right? The setting, okay, and the character, okay, and the actor, sorry. and then plus with what you like about the movie, what you like. Okay, and then the last paragraph will be, I would recommend Wonka to my friends. It's a feel good movie that inspires you to believe in your dreams even when things seem impossible. So whether you're a fan of chocolate, musicals, or just a great story, this film is a delightful treat worth watching. Okay, so all these words very good. Okay, language is very very good. Okay, so I would recommend. So the last paragraph will be recommendation. Okay, the last paragraphs will be recommendation. Okay, so remember 4 paragraphs only. Okay, with every paragraph should be, the first paragraph should be introduction, second paragraph should be brief synopsis, third paragraph should be technical aspect, and the fourth paragraph should be recommendation. So 4 paragraphs, only 200 to 250 words. Okay, and this way your content you can get 5, your communicative achievement 5, organization 4 paragraphs, everything is there. So it is 5, and language, very good language, you could actually see yourself. So a total score will be 20. Okay, so remember, okay, this is how you can also write a book review. Okay, it's almost the same. All right, so all the best.